So you've just bought your dream car and it's time to perform that all-important first modification. But what do you do first? Do you improve the handling, the braking, the acceleration? But what if I told you there's one modification you can do that improves all three? Don't believe me? Then watch this. So the Honda Civic Si, don't get me wrong, in factory trim this is actually a great car. Superb engine, lovely chassis. But like a lot of production cars, they've erred on the side of caution, and the ride is obviously quite soft, and therefore, in terms of driving precision and feedback, it could be better. We're going to change that.
First we'll replace the stock suspension with the Eibach Pro kit and measure the difference. Then we'll fit the lower Sportline kit and Eibach anti-roll bars for the ultimate in handling improvement.
Okay, so here's an interesting comparison. This is the stock Civic front spring, and this is the Eibach Pro kit. Now this is a 30mm 1.25" lower spring. You'd expect it to be shorter out the box. It isn't, it's actually taller. But if you look, you've got some very clever design features. You've got this lovely progressive wind here, so you've got the more comfortable section at the top and the stiffer section at the bottom. This is silicone wound as well to stop the spring from coil binding, keep it nice and quiet. Now if you want to go for a really aggressive stance and fantastic handling, you've got this. This is the Sportline. This is a -50mm spring, about 2 inches lower. This will really make the car look superb, handle fantastically, and again you've got the progressive winding, so you've got comfort and handling in one package. They're both great springs.
First off, we fitted the Eibach Pro kit. These work perfectly with the stock dampers as a direct upgrade from the factory parts.
So we've put the Pro kit on the Civic, and to my mind the car looks a lot better. The stance is amazing, but the question is, does it ride as nice as the factory setup? And more importantly, how does it handle? There's only one way to find out. Take it for a drive.
With the Pro kit fitted, the Civic retains its superb road manners but feels far more composed in the turns. Braking is vastly improved as the nose of the car dives much less under rapid deceleration. The car has a much more desirable stance and the arch gaps now look spot on. The Pro kit has transformed the Civic, but we haven't finished yet. Time to try the Sportline and anti-roll kit. So now 2 inches closer to the tarmac thanks to the Sportlines, the Civic oozes aggression without losing its ride quality. The acceleration has improved from a standing start thanks to reduced squat, and of course, in the turns where it really matters, the Civic stays flat, turns in and goes exactly where you point it. It's as happy on the road as it is capable on track. For more information on Eibach suspension products, visit the website at eibach.com.